Hello tubes, good morning. Well, it's a big day. It's Sunday. Well, there's a bit of sun and we're here in Belgium, just across the border with the Netherlands. Oh, nice and shiny. And we're here for the grand opening of the mobile museum of Tracteur, the famous tractor lady from Belgium. Ooh, has rained a bit. And it will take place in the on the grounds of this, how do I call it, translated? In Dutch we call it B.R.E.K, Bewaarders Holland Erfgoed Kempen. So keepers of the historical heritage of Kempen. And Kempen is this place of Belgium, so let's see what we can find. Oh, I see some nice smoke coming up. Well, I parked my car here. Let's walk a bit. Sorry, there's a bit of wind, but can't help that. Ooh, that's a big John Deere. 7020. Whoa. Uh-oh. Machinery Pete should know the price of this one. Well, let's walk. Well, the corn is still growing. A lot of corn grown here as cattle feed for pigs and cows. Whoa. Een zotte Nederlander. Well, let's walk. I'll show them to you. Well, that's a simple one. It's only 5,000. Well, only. JD 510. A diesel Ross. And that's a real Fendt. Zetor Crystal. Oh, that sounds a bit. Let's see. Zetor, yeah, made in Czechoslovakia. Oh, yeah, Czechoslovakia. Zetor 8011 Crystal. Lots of tractors in this club. Anomak, David Brown, Selectomatic. Well, small Massey Harris. Nice Fiat. Good morning. Good morning to all the viewers. Meneer de boomzager, gaat goed? Goed, oké. Okay. Schluter. John Deere Lance. Let's see. Oh. Ferguson 35. Goldfinger. Ah, a big Hanomag. That's a biggie. Yeah. Whoa. An all 310. Win. Deutsch. Air-cooled. Luftgekühlt. Yeah. Oh, that's a strange R. Is that an R? That's a Russian R. R28. And of course our special Lance Bulldogs. It's green, but is it? Or is it not? Is it a deer or not a deer? Let's see. Oh, it's in German, not sure. Nice small Deutsch. Yeah. Glück naar Humboldt. Glück naar Humboldt. I'm sorry, Mr. YouTube, but there's a bit of music in this vid. Can't help that. Another zeetoort. 3511. Ah. The small Vierzon. Yep, from France. The 201 and the 302. And a fast Porsche. Well, they got Porsche diesels now in the big subs, but this is an early one. Yeah. Anything in the shed? Nope. Cement mixer. Oh, that's a big Merc. That's a big Merc. Ooh, so much to see here. 5610. Oh, wait a minute, something in between. A small Kubota. B6001. Oh. Oh. Easy. Just hook it on. That's good. It's not for the Dutch football team, but this thing is really orange. David Brown tractors, Angleterre, England. I like it when they make it easy for me. 61 Renault N73. French, of course. Ah. Oop. Well, Choops, we have to find the tractor lady and visit her museum, of course. It's my first vid here, so let's see what else pops up. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, we can make a tour in the trailer. Well, bit of sun coming, that's good. Well, Tubes, see you in the next vid. Bye bye.